Hey and welcome back to another POV photography video on my channel. I filmed this photography video a couple of months ago at some remote islands in Japan, and in this video I'm taking around my Sony A7 III and the Tamron 17-28mm lens and doing a mixture of both landscape and nature photography across the island. The main reason why I visited these islands were to take photos of some humpback whales underwater, but I also had a lot of time in between the swims to explore the island, so this video is kind of going to be a looser kind of style. So I just had the GoPro running whenever I thought about it and took a couple of photos here and there. I also made a separate video for the underwater portion of this trip where I took photos of the humpback whales, so if you'd like to check out that video then you can check it out right here. The name of this island that I'm taking photos at is called the Amami Islands, and it is located in between mainland Japan and Okinawa. For this trip I shot all of the video footage using my GoPro Hero 10 Black on a neck mount. For this photo I made sure to have the leaves in the foreground so that there's some depth in the picture and also to kind of frame the waterfall. So all the photos in this video and for all of my other photography I use the RAW mode of the camera to shoot the photos. Compared to the JPEG mode, the photos taken in RAW mode have a lot more data stored into the picture file, so you're able to recover a lot more details from the shadows and highlights and many other parts of the pictures. And you can do this by using editing software such as Lightroom to kind of change the photo to your liking. In this video I'll show you a couple of before and after of the editing processes throughout the video. So here is one right now where I show you the before and after of the photo. The raw photo file is kind of like a blank canvas where you can adjust a lot of the photo to your liking, whereas the JPEG photo is kind of already edited for you. So if you want to learn how to edit your photos, then I definitely recommend shooting your photos all in RAW mode, although it does take a lot of file space up. I think that this was my favourite photo spot on the island, and I was really happy with how the photos turned out at this place. It was a really long tunnel made up of all these small tropical looking island trees, and at the end of the tunnel there was this kind of observatory where you can look out into the town and the ocean. And we even saw some whales from the top of the observatory, but they were a little bit too far away to take the photos and I didn't have my zoom lens on me at the time, so I don't have any photos of that, unfortunately. I post most of my photos that I take on my Instagram, so please check me out there if you'd like as well. And I also started a Vero account recently as well, and I think I've made it the same name as my Instagram, so if you'd like you can try find me there as well. Vero is a kind of photo posting app like Instagram if you guys didn't know already, and it's getting pretty popular recently, so I'd recommend starting one if you're into photography. It's kind of like Instagram before all of these reels and TikTok kind of things came into it, so it's mostly just photos right now, and there's not that many adverts or those weird dancing videos, so you get a timeline of just your favorite photographers in a chronological order. So I'm quite liking using it so far, and I think I'll continue using it for a little while and see how it goes. I think I'm going to be wrapping up this video pretty soon. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I would love for you to let me know in the comments section on how I can improve these kind of POV photography videos. I don't know if you guys want more talking and more information about how I take the photos, or if you want it to be more kind of a relaxing video with just the background music. So I'd be happy to take any suggestions, so please let me know if you do have any ideas. And yeah, as always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you haven't already.